Are you ready to unearth the secrets of the seasons and how they can ignite your personal growth? Welcome to the journey of transformation. This is the Inspire Spirit with Letty channel, your ultimate guide on this voyage of self-improvement. Our aim is to harness the inspiration from our surroundings to enrich our lives. Today marks the beginning of an enlightening series, Embrace the Seasons. Each episode will spotlight a distinct season with its unique lessons that contribute to growth and self-enhancement. Our journey begins with spring, a season synonymous with renewal, rebirth, and fresh starts. As we delve into the vibrant themes of spring, our goal is to inspire you to embrace your personal spring, a period for revitalizing your environment, rejuvenating your spirit, and rebooting your voyage towards self-growth. So are you prepared to embark on this thrilling journey with us? Let's plunge in and start celebrating the glorious renewal of spring. Have you ever wondered how nature can inspire personal growth? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The world around us is a constant source of inspiration and wisdom, if we know where to look and how to listen. Nature, with its seasons, cycles, and transformations, offers us lessons that can profoundly impact our journey towards self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we're going to dive into this idea deeply, exploring how the changing seasons, starting with spring, can inspire and guide us in our personal development. Welcome to the first edition of our special series, Embrace the Seasons. In this series, we'll look at each season's unique character and energy, and discover how we can harness these natural forces to enhance our lives. So why start with spring? Well, spring is a time of renewal. It's when the earth wakes up from its winter slumber, bursting into life with vibrant colors, fresh fragrances, and a renewed spirit of growth and transformation. Just as nature rejuvenates itself in spring, so can we. We can use this time to refresh our surroundings, renew our spirits, and reboot our personal growth journey. Spring is a season of new beginnings. It's when the flowers bloom, the trees sprout new leaves, and the birds return with their cheerful songs. It's a time of hope and optimism, making it the perfect time to set new goals, start new projects, and embrace new opportunities for growth. But it's not just about the physical changes around us. Spring's renewal can also be a metaphor for our personal and spiritual growth. It's a reminder that it's never too late to start anew, to grow, to change, and to transform. So as we embark on this journey of embracing spring's renewal, let's remember to open our hearts and minds to the lessons that nature has to offer. Let's be like the seeds that burst into life with the spring's warmth, ready to grow, to bloom, and to reach for the sky. Today we'll explore how embracing the natural world can enhance our personal growth and well-being. So, are you ready to embrace spring's renewal? Let's begin this journey together. Spring cleaning is a tradition that goes beyond just dusting and organizing. It's about making room for the new, for the opportunities and experiences that the vibrant season of spring brings with it. But how often do we consider spring cleaning beyond the realm of our physical space? Just as we declutter our homes, it's equally essential to declutter our minds. Our thoughts, like our physical possessions, have a way of piling up over time. They can become a source of stress and anxiety if not regularly sorted, organized, and sometimes discarded. This mental spring cleaning allows us to let go of what no longer serves us, making room for fresh thoughts, ideas, and perspectives. But where to start? Begin by identifying what you're holding on to that might be weighing you down. This could be negative self-talk, past failures, or worries about the future. Acknowledge these thoughts, understand their origins, and then let them go. This process might not be easy, but it's a vital step towards mental clarity and peace. Now let's talk about our digital spaces. Our smartphones, computers, and social media accounts can be as cluttered as any closet or drawer. Unread emails, unnecessary apps, and endless notifications can add to our daily stress. A digital detox can work wonders here. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete unused apps, and limit your screen time. Trust me, your mind will thank you. In the midst of all this cleaning and decluttering, don't forget to incorporate mindfulness into your routine. Practicing mindfulness can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to meditate, write in a journal, or simply sit in silence. It's about being present in the moment, acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without judgment. As you clear your space, consider also a digital detox. Simplifying your digital life can reduce stress and improve focus. And remember, spring cleaning is not just a one-time event, but a continual process of renewal and rejuvenation, much like the season itself. So let's embrace this fresh start and welcome the transformative power of spring with open arms. Next, let's get our hands into the soil. Gardening connects us to the cycle of life and refreshes our connection with the earth. It's a direct interaction with nature, a chance to play in the dirt, to nurture, and to watch things grow. It's a hands-on experience of the circle of life, where each sprouting seed and blooming flower is a testament to the power of renewal. Gardening is not just about growing plants, but it's also about growing as individuals. Every seed we plant is a symbol of hope, and every sprouted seedling, a confirmation of life's persistence. It's a lesson in patience, as we wait for nature to take its course, and a lesson in acceptance, as not all seeds will sprout and not all plants will thrive. As we delve deeper into the garden, we discover a quiet, meditative space. Here we can escape the noise of the world and find solace in nature's rhythm. It's a place for introspection and reflection, a sanctuary where we can cultivate peace and tranquility. Now let's get down to the practical side of things. If you're a beginner, start with easy-to-grow plants. Sunflowers, marigolds, or radishes are great options. They're resilient and require minimal care. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but participation. It's about immersing ourselves in the process, learning from each experience, and celebrating small victories. As we water our plants, we also water our souls. As we pull out weeds, we also weed out negativity. As we enrich the soil, we also enrich our lives. Through gardening, we don't just cultivate plants, but also positivity, patience, and perseverance. Gardening isn't just about beautifying our environment, it's a therapeutic activity that can improve our mood and mental health. It's a gentle reminder that we are part of nature, not separate from it. It's a call to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, and to reconnect with the earth. And in this reconnection, we find a deeper connection to ourselves. Spring is also a great time for eco-friendly projects. As we've embraced the spirit of spring through decluttering and gardening, let's now extend our touch of renewal to the environment around us. One project we can undertake is building a birdhouse. This not only provides a safe haven for our feathered friends, but also adds a touch of charm to our outdoor spaces. All you need are a few pieces of untreated wood, nails, and a bit of creativity. As you assemble your birdhouse, remember to make it spacious for the birds and ensure there's adequate ventilation. The joy of watching a family of birds take up residence in your yard is truly heartwarming. The second eco-friendly project we can embark on is installing a rainwater collector. Rainwater harvesting is an effective way to conserve water and reduce our utility bills. It's a simple system involving a barrel, a downspout, and a filter to keep out debris. The collected water can be used for watering your garden, washing your car, or even flushing your toilets. It's a practical and environment-friendly solution, especially in regions that experience regular rainfall. These spring projects not only give us an opportunity to engage with nature, but also help us contribute towards preserving it. As we build birdhouses, we provide homes for wildlife, and by collecting rainwater, we conserve a precious resource. These endeavors go beyond just being hobbies. They're a testament to our commitment to the environment, a dedication to preserving our planet for future generations. They imbibe in us a sense of responsibility and deepen our connection to the world around us. By engaging in these projects, we not only contribute to environmental sustainability, but also bring a piece of nature closer to our daily lives. So this spring, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Our little efforts can make a big difference. Embrace the spirit of the season and let nature inspire your personal growth. As we wrap up today's journey of renewal, remember that spring offers us a unique opportunity to reset and rejuvenate. We've explored the transformative power of spring cleaning, not only creating space in our homes, but in our minds too. We've dipped our hands into the soil, connecting with the earth through gardening, nurturing seeds into life, and in turn, nurturing ourselves. And we've taken steps towards sustainability with simple yet impactful eco-friendly projects. Embracing spring's renewal, we've seen how the season invites us towards personal growth, towards a fresh start, towards a deeper connection with nature. This is the essence of our series, Embrace the Seasons, a journey through the year, finding inspiration and wisdom in nature's rhythms. Stay tuned for our next edition, where we'll explore the vibrant and warm energies of summer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with our seasonal adventures.